Welcome back to Auto Resolve. Today I will show you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy A26 5G if you forget the password or want to factory reset.
Step 1. Turn off the device. Press and hold the power button, then tap power off. Wait until the device is completely off. Step 2. Enter recovery mode. Press and hold volume up power buttons simultaneously. Release both buttons when the Samsung logo appears. Step 3. Navigate recovery mode. Use volume up down buttons to move and power button to select. Step 4. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset. Scroll down and highlight Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press power to select. Step 5. Confirm the reset. Choose Yes to confirm. The phone will start the factory reset process. Reboot the phone once the reset is complete. Select Reboot System now. Your Galaxy A26 5Yo will restart like new.